Myntri Rangbah kajala kontrak ki sama menta kasngi oleh Shim benta ha ka CM Connect Public Consultative Meet bala pelong da ka Tanat Urban Affairs ka Sarkar Meghalaya. Ha ka Myntri Rangbah ka Shillong Municipal Board ha u Susotham Auditorium Shillong. Usumbut Myntri Rangbah kajala ba sniaw balang dahar u bakmi ka Tanat Urban Affairs u ladon lang bat ki he officer ka Sarkar. Kinong mikmat jong ki dor bar shnong ka sor ki kunhun badan benta ki barikor bat kinong shnong na keleng ka sor Shillong. Ha bakran ha ka jingalang u Myntri Rangbah u laong ba yakani ka program lapanwan dur khnang tangkum ka jing pensngo. U labanjur ba ka senchar khadar ka dei banlong ka ba shashkor bat ka bala ban lei ai. Khamtam ha ka kom senchar ka ba jarwat ha ka bat ka senchar kunhun. Ha ka ba banjur ya ka jingkit kli ha ka senchar pai ba u laong ka senchar pai ba ka ba shisha kala ban trikam tang lada ka sarkar ka don ka jingya dei bat biajan bat kinong shnong ha ba banrap ba ka jing a jingbut jong ki pai ba ka dei ban yai beteng ban yo ya ki jingtip badan kam ha ba shim ya ki rai. Ula kadau ba ki rai jong ka sarkar kila bandon kam ban bishar biang kat kum ka jing a jingbut na ki pai ba namar ka jing shakri ya kinong shnong kalong ka kamram ka ba hakhmat e jong ka senchar khadar. Ha ka ba bataya ka jing mi jong ka CM Connect u Myntri Rangbah u laong ba kanni ka jing persyang kalami na ka jing don kam ya ka jing ke kendu ka bala penbait denti ban longman ka por ba kinong shnong. U laong ba kanni ka dei kum ka program ha ba khot ya ka jingmut ba u Myntri Rangbah u dei ban yang beteng ban penyadai ban ki pai ba. Lyngba ka jing ya kendu da ka jing penbait bat ki jing ya kendu hi ha keleng ki jaka. Ula penpau ba ka jing senchar khadar ka don kam ya ka jing sungrit bat ka jing kloy ban penbait. Da ka ba kadau ba ka jing a jingmut ka yarap ha ban penbah ya ki policy bat ban kentiu ya ka jingmi. Ha ka ba menjur ya ki jing e ha ki sor kum ka jing penya ya ki jing lumnyut ki surok bat ki jing tei na ka benta upat ba. Ula ong ba kat ba ka jing sokhya ba ka jing kentho jong ki pai ba kalong ka badon kam. Kilat jing penbait ki batei ki long ki badon kam lang. Ula karpat ya ka jing ya kren ka badon buram aba kadau ya ba ki officer ki trei ha pareng ki jing e ba ki jing don kam ya ka jing ya trei lang na ka benta ka jing pentrei kam ka batrei kam.
We are having 1,483 households. We are having 5,784 population. And the main problem in our locality, main problem, and each and every household must be having the same problem regarding water supply. When there is no water, all this development and everything, no one will discuss because water is the most essential. We are having 11 RCC tanks with this population, and the water supply coming from PHE, it has hardly for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. The moment the key PHE, the moment the key man opened the tank, within 5 minutes, water gone. I think you realize that one. You realize 1,483 households, 5,784 population, 4 higher secondary schools, 1 college, 1 orphanage we are having in our locality. So we are having 11 RCC tanks, what I told you just now. So the condition is such that people keep on asking me, what about the water supply? I just keep on talking. They came and said they are getting their shortage of supply from PHE. Then they passed the responsibility to the Shillong Municipal Board. Between PHE and Municipal Board, there is a conflict. We do not know who is correct. But the only thing is that water is a must. Every household needs water. So that is most important. I just request that she should improve and should raise the period of supply of water. Because within 30 seconds, the water will come half of the tank. Immediately when the key man discharge, within 4 minutes, water gone. So this is a problem with it. This is a problem with it. Right. Can I continue, sir? One after another.
Can you allow them to reply? Yeah. Otherwise we'll lose the momentum. It'll be like your 30 minutes water supply gone.
Here, same as municipal and ministry, we are facing problem here. Also, PHE and municipal issue. Now, Government of Meghalaya, now she's in PHE department. They are in the process of developing new system, so that there is no municipal, no PHE. There must be one system only, like now for the street light and all. I think Sir Honorable Chief is very aware of it because it is under process. I think they are going to create sub board now. I think Sir will explain it.
Basically, again, it's a problem. PHE will explain also again. Again, very simple jurisdiction problem. Some areas municipal is giving water, some areas PHE is giving water. There is nobody who's taking the responsibility and actually ownership. So like we did for the CCTV, we have also decided now that we should create a Jal board. You know, I mean, you call it maybe something else, but what Delhi has is a Jal board. So no matter which agency is responsible, the responsibility will not be cut or they will not be taken away. But there will be one body that will monitor between these 3-4 agencies so that nobody can then shift the responsibility to anybody and everybody meets all the time to resolve these issues. Because right now, by the time municipal speaks to PHE, it takes 1 month and PHE replies back, it takes 2 months. So all these kind of problems happen. So just to improve the efficiency, we are coming up with this system. Again, as I said, it's such a simple thing, but it creates huge problems of governance and then efficiency reduces. That is one of the solutions. But I think coming back to the major solution problem, so what Rangbah Shnong is mentioning, you know, this 11 things there, can we do something about it? Is there some solution? Is there any way we can increase from 30 minutes to additional? Is there some way we can give a local water source being there where we can pump from? Is there anything you have in mind?
Jaladom is being provided water from one water supply from Shillong water scheme, whereas the supply to the consumer is being done by municipal. So, like all the other areas around Jaladom, we don't face any problem bringing water scarcity. But for Jaladom, it's a different case. What is come here first?
Back to the same one.
But the thing is that for Jaladom, it's not from Shillong only we supply. We supply also from industrial estate also. There's one deep tube well there. And recently, in March, we got sanction and scheme. Jaladom deep DTW water scheme just got sanctioned, and that will, I think, the strategy and the making and working.
So municipal is taking care of distribution. No, so you don't get enough supply. Why are you distributing only 30 minutes is the question. So can you increase it? Is there some way? And 2 questions. First, can you increase the supply timing? Number 2, is there any way we can have the project you're talking about now, the new sanction? Is it going to also increase the water tank and additional supply?
I don't remember exactly, let me find it out, but definitely I know that there will be a deep tube well drilling there. DTW.
A deep tube well. Okay, for the locality.
For Jaladom.
So then you will pump the water from
yes,
there
we'll pump the water from
into
there,
these 11 tanks.
This one I'm getting, sir.
Yeah.
There is a tube well pump was carried out last 4-5 years with the initiative from the Home Minister. Like we talked with him, then we have done a drilling of tube wells, and we got the water, sufficient water is coming out. But till now it is not functioning because when the water gets tested, it has got maximum ions. So it cannot be used for drinking. Then I negotiate with the chief engineer or with the assistant next engineer, PhD. They told that they need a treatment plant. Okay. Then last 1 week, 2 weeks, I just had a contact with the engineer. They told that we have got sanction for that one. Exactly, I don't know whether that is correct or not. We have got a sanction for the treatment plant.